Hello my friends, welcome back to Keto and the Chaos. My name is Tammy and it's day 7 of Vlogmas. So I hope you guys enjoyed coming to my ballet class yesterday. That was pretty crazy. Actually, that was probably the best I've ever done, so if that tells you anything. I'm not the most graceful person in the world, but I really do love trying because I've always wanted to dance since I was little and never was able to. So this is literally the first time in my life I've ever been able to dance from the time I was 5. I think I took a couple of classes when I was 5 and that was about it. So it's been really fun to be able to try and explore new things that way. This morning I am heading out taking my boys to a class, and then I have to go shopping looking for lipstick for Nutcracker tonight. Pretty much what we're doing today is Nutcracker, so I'm not sure exactly what I'm going to talk to you guys about yet because you know it's still the morning and I still have to figure that out. So I'll see you guys in a little while. No time to eat this morning, so I am taking my first keto cake. I haven't tried one of the ones from yesterday, and I don't even know what this flavor is. Some kind of chocolatey. Oh, it's chocolate orange. That's right. Now I'm excited. Chocolate orange. I'm gonna eat this because I don't have time to eat. I'm gonna try and find some food a little later, and I don't know. Hopefully this will tide me over for the time being. I forgot to update you guys on my sickness. So this morning I woke up, I'm feeling a lot better actually. So I guess my immune system must be kicking in, starting to work. So my throat doesn't hurt and I'm apparently not coming down with strep. At least that's a relief, right? Woohoo! Success. Oh wow, double success. This is what we need. Woohoo! Well, that was practically painless. Found both lipsticks. Nice. I was thinking trying a store a little further away from the area where they actually dance might be what I needed to do in order to find those lipsticks. So thrilled about that. Looking forward to tonight. I love doing their hair and makeup. It's one of the funnest parts of being a dance mom. I'm looking forward to doing that. Sit. Elva, sit. Okay. Hello, birdies. No fun. Fun. I don't even know if I can get any out of that. Awesome. It's frozen solid. That's fantastic. Well, that didn't work. I tried to turn it upside down, see if I could pry the ice out, and then I lost grip and it dropped, and the muddy water from like underneath the ice flew up the sides and sprayed all over me, and it smells like poo. I literally am covered in poo water. I don't even know what to do. I'm gonna have to go take a shower. I smell really bad. Gross. Looks like they spent half their life in here. Fun. Okay, well, I had my shower, I had to wash my hair. That was insane. Gross. I feel better now, but I am now having to leave again because I have to pick up another order of keto cakes. And I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, how much cake does a girl need? I'm kind of thinking the same thing right now, but these cakes are actually, they were free because of the Thanksgiving pie. I don't know if you guys remember, but the Thanksgiving pie that I bought from the Keepin' It Keto Cakes company, it just did not taste that great, and it gave me really bad digestive upset, and to apologize, they gave me one free set of Keepin' It Keto bundt cakes. So these ones, a different company, they're a smaller company. I don't usually order from them because their delivery day is on Thursdays and I'm usually busy at Commonwealth on Thursdays, but now Commonwealth is done, so I'm gonna go pick up my free cakes. Good thing is they all freeze really, really well, so they're easy to keep in the freezer and just eat, you know, whenever. They keep for a really long time. And my husband is also keto, and Oliver, my 16-year-old, is gluten-free, so they're great for him too, and he can't usually have treats that other people can have as well. So I like to have him on hand for any time when he might need a treat as well. So I'm off to grab the keto cakes, and then I'm going to come back home and get these girls ready for Nutcracker, and maybe I'll get to eat sometime. We'll see. Wow, you can't see the mountains at all today. I don't think that's inversion, probably just some kind of thick fog of some kind. I don't know. Weird, weird. Oh my goodness, you guys. I got over there and they had saved 2 orders for me. I had thought I had only ordered this, but she says I also ordered this, and I didn't mean to order this, so I'm not exactly sure what happened, but she like gave them both to me for free. I think that's amazing. So now that makes me want to buy more cupcakes from Keeping It Keto Cakes, and aren't they adorable? Aren't they cute? They are so cute. And they smell really good. Oh my heck. Cute, cute, cute. Utah moms are the best at coming up with ways to use the things that they love and bless others' lives while also making a living. I just love it. I'm definitely going to be back. So do you guys see what I mean about people always giving me stuff? Like, this is a common occurrence. I don't know if I am like the kind of person that just invites people wanting to be nice, but it was really, I think, too much for these girls to give me that extra cakes. She should have messaged me and I would have paid for them or told her not to make them, one or the other. So I actually just Venmo'd her the money because I felt like that was very kind of her to do that, but I should pay for the ones that I didn't really deserve to get. So, especially because there was really nothing wrong with the pie. It just, we were kind of disappointed that it wasn't as amazing as we were hoping it would be. And so I felt like she went over and above what she already needed to do, and so I deserve to pay for those Keeping It Keto bun cakes. And they look really cute, so I'm hoping I'll get a couple more orders from them before I have to go back to Commonwealth in January, because now that I can pick up on Thursdays, maybe I'll grab some from them just to support them because they're so sweet, and I just really want to support small businesses as much as I can. And of course, hello, they're keto. Well, I just got home and I was sitting in the car and I just got booked for a wedding. That's like on the 18th. I have been turning down weddings recently just because of how crazy it is trying to keep up with the 2 channels and all of the things that's going on. I haven't done very much photography, but this is actually really good timing because I don't actually have anything going on that day. It's a very small wedding, like a courthouse wedding with a simple reception, and I actually have time to edit photos during Christmas break. I'm looking forward to meeting the happy couple. I haven't done a wedding in a little while. I think it's been over a year since I've done a wedding, so it ought to be fun. I'm kind of excited. I'm looking forward to it.
So I'm done with my hair. It's really nice. Now it's time for makeup, if we have time.
It's 3:45 and I'm having my first meal. It is 2 ounces of cheese, 2 fried eggs, and 44 grams of center cut bacon. Alrighty, I had to take a break from putting on the kids' makeup to come down and drive these boys to clogging because they can't miss class tonight, even though the girls will be missing it. I'm gonna head back there, grab them, and we're gonna be heading off to Nutcracker. Wow, this day's gone by pretty quickly. So as it turns out, I apparently didn't sign up to be a helper at Nutcracker tonight. I totally thought I did. Of course, I totally thought I didn't sign up for last Saturday, and I did, so I'm guessing I messed something up there somewhere. So I have the night off. I dropped the kids off at dance. I ordered them Uber Eats for dinner, and the lady could not find the place. I spent the last 20 minutes on the phone trying to help this poor Uber Eats driver find the dance studio. It was kind of hilarious, actually. It was really funny. I felt so bad for her, and I was like, I'm giving her such a big tip. Then I go on the app to give her a tip, and she's not accepting tips. That must be, maybe she's new? Is that an Uber thing? Like you can't accept tips until you've been there so long? Oh, I felt bad because of course I was ordering for my kid, so he didn't have cash to give her. Oh, sad, sad. Anyway, so it's only 6:30. Chef Dave is off buying me one of my favorite meals, chicken wings, and he should be back soon. So I'm thinking I might finish up the videos early and actually go to bed at a decent hour tonight. I can't even fathom that. I've been going to bed at 1 or 2 for the past 4 months. So I can't even imagine going to bed before that. Maybe I'll actually watch some TV. I don't know what to do with all my free time. Maybe I could pull out that Sims 4 like Karen Marie is always saying I should try. I haven't played that game in 20 years. My kid knows that I used to be addicted to it when he was little, and that's why he got it for me. He's almost 23. So if that tells you anything, he remembers me playing it when he was a little boy. So, I guess I'm going to take my leave of you. I will show you my meal. I probably stick it in here for you. And here it is, my wings. Got a huge thing of wings with the sauce on the side. I get the sauce on the side not because the sauce has carbs in it or anything. It's just because it's just a little too spicy for me, and I like to be able to add how much I want. And ranch dressing to dip it with. So that's going to be my last meal of the day. Right now, I think I'm going to be done vlogging for the day, and I am going to go chill and enjoy my extra time to myself because I don't get it very often, and I'm going to enjoy it as best I can. So thanks for hanging out with me for day 7 of Vlogmas. I'll see you tomorrow. Talk to you again soon. What? It was horrible.
No.
How did it go?
For me, for everybody else.
Oh no.
There's a girl who was in front of the line that I was not in. forgot to go.
Oh no,
So
darn
the teacher's,
it.
like, yelling like, go, go, go.
Oh, good thing it was like just kind of a practice. I mean, there was only a few people watching, right?
The whole thing was filled.
Oh no. Well,
I mean, they still thought it was cool no matter what, right?
right. Well, and it was mostly kids, right?
Well, there were a lot of
Families basically with kids that have cancer. So, wow. Oh man. Well, hopefully Saturday will go better. Saturday's gonna be a long day.